Hey guys, welcome back to Fly and Sea Farming Outdoors. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to sharpen a chainsaw chain. This is the way that I do it. I'm no professional, but I just want to show you guys what I found that works for me. This is the Stihl chainsaw sharpener. First thing you need to do is match it up to your bar, and it's located right here, and it's going to show you the pitch, number of teeth, and the length of the bar. And you'll match that up onto the chainsaw sharpener. And so Stihl makes several different types of these, and this is the one that'll work for this 14-inch bar with a 3 HP. And so that, like I said, I'm no professional, but this is just the way that I do it. First thing I do, take a Sharpie, put it right there, so that way we'll know where we're starting and end at. And if you want to pay attention to the arrows right there, you'll line this thing up, set it in there. You'll line it up, and you're going to do about 2 to 3 passes is what I normally do, and keeping the angle as you do it. And you'll skip every other one. So we're done that one. We'll skip one, back to here. Like I said, you only do this 2 or 3 times, keeping the angle as you go. And as it's doing this, you'll end up with a good edge on your chainsaw chain. Like I said, I'm no professional. This is what works for me. And I've had these for a few years now, and they seem to do a good job. This was on the Stihl MS-180C. Been a real good saw. I've had this thing probably for 7 or 8 years now. Just keep going. If you do this one side at a time, you won't lose where you started at, having to go back. You don't have to put a whole lot of pressure. All right, now see, we're back where we started. Now what we're going to do, since we've done this side, we got to flip and do the other side. Sometimes it's a little tricky trying to get these lined up. Here we go. This is pretty fast and effective. And this is how I like to sharpen my chainsaw chains. I don't do it every time that I cut. Probably every second or third time. I mean, I'm not going out and cutting down 10 trees at a time. Basically just limbing stuff up around here on the property. So all I'm doing is just touching it up. You can feel that edge that you're putting on it. All right, guys, we're back here at the beginning, as you can see from the Sharpie I left right there. And this is just how, like I said, this is just how I sharpen my chainsaw chains around here on the property. This little Stihl chainsaw sharpener is pretty good. I have no complaints with it. I've got several I've got the smaller MS-180C, and then I've got an MS-261, and then I got a pole saw, Stihl pole saw that I use this on. And all of them have been real good with a chainsaw sharpener on them. And guys, just like and subscribe. And if you got anything out of this, just let me know. And I appreciate you watching, and see you next time. Thanks.